Garba. The step for today is Hinch style. Let's get ready and see how this step is done. We will focus on the arm movement and footwork separately. Let's see how we are going to use our footwork for this step. Keep your hands on your waist and your feet in neutral position. Now, step slightly your left leg and cross your right leg behind legs. Tilt your body diagonally and also look diagonally. Now, place your right leg here, cross your left leg. Tilt your body diagonally and look diagonally. While crossing your legs behind, always remember, do not touch your heel to the ground. You all will only touch your toes on the floor while doing this step. Let's see how arm movements we are going to do for this step. When you all are in the neutral position, you all will clap your hands first. Down, clap. Now keep both thumbs up hands, swing your hands round up here and place it on the shoulder while looking diagonally. Again, you all will clap, place it on your shoulder and look diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try doing arm movement and footwork together. 5, 6, 7, go and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You all can add your own variations, your own style for this step. While doing this step, you all can bend a little, you all can look there, you all can add a little bounce, any way you all want it to be. Let's try this step with some music. There you go. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.